Hi, first grade. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. It's Miss Rudolph here, and I am so excited to spend this time with you. It's time for social studies. Now, yesterday was a very important day. Tuesday, November 3rd, 2020 was a very important day. Who remembers what was so special about yesterday? What was happening in our country yesterday? That's right. It was an election day. All of our grown-ups, moms, dads, aunts, uncles, grandmas, grandpas, um, people like that in our lives that are able to vote, that are registered to vote, they were able to go make a choice and vote on the leaders of our country. So it was a very, very, very special day yesterday. So what we're going to do today is we're going to talk a little bit about the voting process. Now, we already know what a government is. A government is a group of people, and we already know what they do. They make laws to keep us safe. Okay? And then we've learned that we're citizens, you and I, and citizens have certain expectations that they have to meet. And one of those expectations is when you are old enough and if you're able to, you should vote. So many people in our country have fought for our right to vote because once upon a time, certain people could not vote for many, many reasons. And that wasn't fair. And so many people have fought for our right to vote. So if you are able to vote and you have registered, you should definitely vote. Okay, so today we're going to learn a little bit more about voting, and then the rest of this week we're going to have a little fun. And I have three very special friends that I'm going to introduce you to today that would like to be our class president. And you are going to get your voice heard and you're going to get to vote. Okay, so let's get started. We are going to talk about voting today. When you vote, it means that you can make choices. When you go vote, you have choices that you get to make. So, for example, your mom might say, do you want spaghetti for dinner or pizza for dinner? You get to vote and say, oh, I want spaghetti or I want pizza, okay? When we went and voted yesterday, we were making choices on who we wanted our leaders of our country to be. Voting is when a group of people can make a choice together. So yesterday, friends, Miss Brown, she voted early, and so she was able to send in her ballot and she didn't have to go in person. Well, Miss Rudolph did not do that. Miss Rudolph wanted to vote in person. So yesterday, I got up super early. The polls where I could vote opened up at 6:30 a.m., super early. It was still dark outside. I got there by 6:15. I thought if I got there by 6:15, I would get in and out, easy breezy, lemon squeezy, no worries. Well, I was wrong. When I got there, I don't know if you can see this very well, but this is part of the line going into the building where I was voting. And it was clear wrapped around the building all the way to the street. It looked like a big snake. It was crazy how many people there were. And you can see this picture too. I'll try to show you. Look at that line, friends. It just wrapped around the whole parking lot. It was amazing. I was so excited that so many people wanted to get out and vote. This is as I was getting closer to my turn getting into the building. And then this is after I cast my vote, and they give you a voting sticker at the end. So Miss Rudolph waited about an hour, so it wasn't horrible. Um, but I did wait an hour from the time I got there to the time I got in the building and cast my vote. But that just shows you so many people came together to have their voice heard and to make their choice. Voting makes things fair because we choose together. Okay? Everybody has the chance to register to vote and to go vote and have their voice heard. So if they do that, they should go vote because that's how it's fair. You have the chance to do that. Okay? And we like to make things fair. That way, when we see who won, we're not going to be throwing a fit, right? Because you had the right to vote. You had the right to get your voice heard, and so did everybody else. So we just have to accept the results. Okay, now when you go in to vote, you're going to fill out a thing called a ballot. Now, Miss Brown, when she voted early, she got a piece of paper that she had to use a pencil to kind of color in, and then I don't know if she mailed it in or if she took it physically to the Board of Elections, but she took that there, and then the people there looked at it and counted her vote. Well, yesterday when I went to vote, I went in and it was very safe because of Corona. I felt very safe and comfortable. Everybody was wearing masks. As soon as I got there, they gave me one of these things. This is called a stylus, okay? It was in a nice package, so that way it was very safe. And then I got to vote on a cool machine. So the people who were running for office were on my machine, and then I used this to make my selection. That way my hands did not have to touch it, and that way the next person using my machine was not getting my germs. So it was very, very cool to use that. So then I made my selections using my cool stylus, and then after that, I hit vote and my ballot was cast. I was so excited. And then again, at the end, I got my cool I voted sticker. It was awesome. Okay, so again, but that thing that you fill out, that ticket, it's called a ballot. Okay, friends. So now what we're going to do is we are going to do something super, super fun. I have three very special friends that would like to be our class president. So today I'm going to introduce you to them and I'm going to have you tell them have them tell you a little bit about themselves. Then tomorrow there'll just be a short video for you to watch, nothing for you to do, just watch the video, and they're going to explain to you why they should be our first grade class president. And then on Friday for social studies, we're going to learn a little bit more about the election process. And your activity for that day is you are going to cast your vote. You're going to make your choice and make your voice heard of who you would like to be our classroom president, our class first grade class president. Then on Monday, I will make the announcement, and then that class president will be in our rooms. There'll be some activities throughout the year, and they will be our president. So let's get started. I have three very special friends that I would like you to meet. Okay, and they all would like to be the first grade class president. So this is Donnie the dinosaur. Can everybody say hi, Donnie? Hi, Donnie. Donnie, how are you today? I'm good, thank you. How are you? Oh, I'm good, Donnie. Thank you so much for asking. Okay, Donnie, so my friends are watching at home and I'm going to ask you a few questions so that way they can get to learn more about you. So, Donnie, what is your favorite color? My favorite color is green. Ooh, I like green too, and you have beautiful green skin. Nice. Donnie, what is your favorite food? Well, I like to eat pizza and cookies. Those are my favorite things. Ooh, I like pizza and cookies too. Donnie, what's your favorite sport? Oh, I love to play soccer. Ooh, I love to play soccer too, and I bet with those big feet you can kick the ball very hard, right? Yes, I can. And then, Donnie, what other activity do you like to do for fun? Well, I like to color beautiful pictures. Yes, I do too. That's awesome. Well, Donnie, thank you for introducing yourself to us. I wish you luck in the election. And now we're going to introduce my friends to the next person that would like to be our first grade class president. Can everybody say bye, Donnie? Bye. Vote for me. Okay, friends, Donnie's going to go over there. Okay, my next friend that I would like you to meet is Bronson the bear. Can everybody say hi, Bronson? Hi, everyone. How are you today? Thank you for asking, Bronson. We're doing good. All right, Bronson. So I'm going to ask you the same questions so we can get to know each other, okay? Yes, that's fine. Okay, so Bronson, what is your favorite color? I like brown. Brown is my favorite color. Ooh, I like brown too. It reminds me of the trunk of a tree or maybe some of the stems on a pumpkin. I like brown too. And Bronson, what is your favorite food? I like to eat things healthy, so like salads and fruits and vegetables. Ooh, that's good. So you're a healthy eater. Yes, I am. Good job. And then Bronson, what's your favorite sport? I love football. Football is my favorite, especially the Buckeyes. OHIO. Ooh, he likes the Buckeyes, friends, and he likes football. Very, very good. And Bronson, what other activities do you like to do? Well, I like to play games. So I have an Xbox at home and I can play games on that, and that's my favorite. Awesome, Bronson. Well, thank you so much for telling us a little bit more about yourself. We can't wait to hear why you think you will make a good first grade class president. Can you say bye to our friends at home? Bye. Bye, everyone. Everybody say bye, Bronson. Okay, so that was Bronson the bear. We have one more candidate. who would like to be your first grade class president. This is Molly the horse. Everybody say, hi, Molly. Hi, Molly. Very good. Hi, Molly. How are you today? I'm good. Thank you. How are you? Oh, thank you so much, Molly. I'm good. Okay, Molly, I'm going to ask you a few questions so my friends at home can learn more about you, okay? So they can have a lot of information when they go vote, okay? Molly, what's your favorite color? I love rainbow colors. Everything in the rainbow is my favorite. So rainbow, 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 rainbow. Ooh, I like rainbow too. All right, Molly, what is your favorite food? Do you have a favorite food? Hmm, I love apples and pineapple and bananas, anything fruit. And then I also eat hay. I like hay too. Okay, that's awesome, yummy food. Thank you so much. And then, Molly, what's your favorite sport? Ooh, I like basketball. Basketball's my favorite because I can jump really high and throw it in the basket. Good job, Molly. I like basketball too. And then, Molly, last question. What activity do you like to do when you're at home if you're like kind of bored? Well, if I'm bored and I'm not doing anything, I just like to watch some cool TV shows. Very cool. I do too sometimes, especially right now. I'm starting to watch Christmas movies. Are you? Yeah, very good. All right, so this was Molly the horse. Can you say bye, Molly? Good job, Miss Molly. Thank you for introducing yourself. So we have Donnie the dinosaur, Bronson the bear, and Molly the horse. You learned a little bit more about them today. Tomorrow, they're going to tell you why they think they would be a great first grade class president. And then on Friday, you'll get to vote. So now what you need to do is you need to record your voice or make a video telling me what you learned about voting today and post that to Seesaw. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.